Hello everyone, people who don't know me, my name is Peter Fernandez. I will give a short introduction, okay? I work on a ship and I'm a chef. This is a short and simple. I will show you a simple and quick recipes on my new YouTube channel which I have recently opened just now. And you can follow me on Instagram also. Over there I have too much of recipes. So please you can try at home and enjoy with your family. Hope you like it and do subscribe my channel and do like my channel, okay?
So for Chinese samosa today we take half cabbage, 1 carrot, 1 capsicum and 3 spring onions. These are for all julienne. Then the white of the spring onion is 3 chilies finely chopped, 2 or 3 garlic you can take, and ginger finely chopped, that's a 1 inch. Then I have the Szechuan sauce which I have made in the last video, you can see. It's a chili sauce, soya sauce, and it's a 1 packet of noodles. So I took a pan, I put on the high flame and I put 2 teaspoons of oil, and everything is going to be on the high flame. So first we put the ginger and everything. Saute for 1 second. The rawness of the garlic and the ginger should go, okay? Then we add the onion. After this I add all the vegetables. Just add all together, no problem. Start sauteing this one and put little salt so the vegetables start leaving the water. So after sauteing this for 5 minutes, see, already the quantity is half. So we start putting all the seasoning. The soya sauce, it's a 2 teaspoon soya sauce, a Szechuan sauce and chili sauce. And make the flame little slow and start sauteing this one, okay? And we add now the noodles. And you can break the noodles because in the samosa it should get fit properly. You don't want long noodles in that. So for samosa we take 1 cup of flour. Don't worry, I already washed this, okay? Then I put half teaspoon of ova. This helps to digest. Then I put 1 teaspoon of ghee. And this is important to make the samosa crispy. Half lemon. And we need this dough a semi-soft dough, okay? Not hard also and not soft also. If you make too much hard, then the samosa is just going to blow in the oil. And if you make it soft, it will absorb all the oil. So it should be semi-soft. Start putting little water and I will show you how it should be the dough, okay? And I put little salt also, I just forgot. See, now you can see the dough is semi-soft, okay? So we start kneading this and make it little more soft. Now start cutting this, okay? From 1 cup you can make at least 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay? And start rolling this dough in a ball. So we have 7, okay? So don't worry, we don't have to make this round. We can make full flat and then we cut into half, okay? I will show you. So put this in middle of the flour and now start kneading this, okay? Don't worry, we don't have to make it round, okay? We have to make just straight. And just make it little thick. After this, we just cut this in the half. So all the sheets are ready, and we have already cooled the mixture, and I made this is like a glue, flour and little of the water. Okay, and I will show you how to make the samosa. Just fold this first, stick it and keep to your hand like this. Start filling little of the mixture, not too much. Okay, press this inside. Then I put this glue on the side of this. And cover this like this. And pull from back and just press. Okay. This is like a tiny samosa. Now all the samosas are ready. You start putting this in a medium low flame. Okay. The oil should not be too much hot. Do one by one. Cook this till golden brown and it will be crispy. Okay. Now you can see the samosa is ready, full golden. You just remove this. Okay.
So hope you like the recipe. Do like, share and comment, okay? Because comments are the most important, which I will know about my recipe, how it was and what you like about that. And do follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID I will just give in the description, okay? Hope to see you for the next video. Take care, bye.